How to change characters in solo leveling Arise. In today's video, I will show you how to change characters in solo leveling Arise. So once you're in the game, look for this icon. Then, tap on it to access your available characters. This will open a list of characters available for selection. Now, scroll through your available characters and pick the one that you want. Tap on your chosen character and it should replace the previous. Once your new character is in place, confirm or save your changes to update your current character. And that's it. You have successfully changed character in solo leveling Arise. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.